Hello student, Ikra Primary English Medium School, Un Surat Branch, Standard 3rd, Subject Environmental Studies, Chapter number 7, Name Saying Without Speaking. Teacher name Samrin Ser Ali. Let's get started. Lesson number 7, Saying Without Speaking. So let us play a game. In this game, everyone has to let other know what they want to tell without speaking. So you need to divide yourself into a group of 7 and your teacher will give each group a pieces of paper with a situation written on it, and then you need to read the paper and prepare a silent act. Keep in mind that you can't speak. You can express through your face and body's action. When all the groups are ready with their act, they have to perform one by one in front of the other groups. The other will have to guess what is being acted out. And then you need to tell whether you like the game or not. Was it difficult for you to act without speaking or not? Then you need to look at the picture given on your textbook. And so look at this picture, guys. And the children in the picture are talking to each other through actions. Then you need to say the whether have you seen anyone talking to action. When do people need to talk like this? So we can see the two children are talking through actions. When people need to talk like this, they need to talk like this when they cannot speak. So this is why people usually speak like this. Then we have most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who can't neither hear nor speak, and so these people talk through their actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lips movement. And all of us can't do everything. Some of us might sing well, others might write well, some can climb tree quickly while others can run fast. Some can draw well while others can sing in tune. So we all are special in our own ways. Hence in school we can learn from each other like all children. So children who can't speak and hear also go to school to read and write. So in school sing language also taught to them, so that they treat about the child who can't hear yet, who can't do many things. So here is a poem, Me and My Sisters. I have a sister, my sister cannot hear. So I have a sister, my sister is deaf. She is special. There are not many sisters like mine. My sister can play the piano. So she like to feel the deep rumbling chord, but she will never be able to sing. She cannot hear the tune. She like to leap, to tumble, to roll, to climb to the top of the monkey bars. Now my sister has started going to my school. All thought our mother still help her speak and lip read at home. So here she is telling us about her small sister who's not able to hear, but she is yet telling that she is special in her own ways and she is very good in playing piano. She is in love with the tuning, but she can't sing because she can't hear. Then the teacher and children do not understand, and every word she says, like sister or water or thumb. I wore my sunglasses yesterday, so the frames were very large, the lenses were very black. My sister made me take them off when I spoke. What do my brown eyes says to her brown eyes? So basically in the end she is giving us a message that in the end, even when those people are special, they can look into our eyes and say what we are trying to say, that they can feel it, then have so specially power. So that why when she was wearing a sunglasses, her sister took them off and was looking her brown eyes, so that she can look at her expressions and know what exactly she's trying to say. Our eyes tell a lot. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands. Even before they learn to speak, they understand a lot too. So the face is a mirror. Observe children of about 6 to 8 months in your area, how did they express themselves? So basically now there is a face given with no mouth, no eyes, no face. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to draw the expectations along with the descriptions given over. So just this is a fun activity. All you need to do this, you need to imagine a face someone will have. Their face is in that similar situations and drawn it according to you. So this is Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and it's broken. He is sad. How will his face look? So we need to draw a sad face on Aftab face. Similarly, we have other instances also. We need to look at some of the mudras and their dance mudras, and you need to do them with the help of a dance teacher. So after that we have a picture and you need to make your own story and discuss with your friends. So basically I will give you example, like you can write once upon a time where a huge tree there lived a joyous squirrel. She used to dance, sing, run and laugh all day long. One day she decided to cook something good. She invited her friends, Ratman and Crow to enjoy the food. They all loved having the food together. So this is how you can make your own story. Thank you.